If you want to make your layouts cleaner and more precise in LibreOffice Draw, one of the simplest things you can do is turn on the grid. The grid helps you line up objects, shapes, text boxes, and other elements so your design looks neat and professional. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to show the grid in LibreOffice Draw in just a few easy steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the left side under Create. From there, click Draw Drawing. If you already have an existing document that you want to work on, you can open that instead. The steps are the same either way, so use whichever option works best for you. After your Draw document is open, go up to the top menu bar and click View. This is where you'll find display settings for your workspace, including tools that help you organize and align your content more effectively. Once you click View, look for the option called Grid and Helplines. Click on that and a sub-menu will appear. In that sub-menu, you'll see an option called Display Grid. Click Display Grid to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you should see the grid appear across the draw page. This grid gives you visual guides that make it much easier to position objects accurately, whether you're creating diagrams, shapes, presentations, or any kind of layout in LibreOffice Draw. Having the grid visible can save you time and help you stay consistent. If you ever want to turn the grid off later, you can follow the same steps again. Just go back to View, open Grid and Helplines, and toggle Display Grid off. That makes it easy to switch between a clean canvas and a guided workspace whenever you need it, and that's it. You've now learned how to show the grid in LibreOffice Draw. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to align elements properly and keep your work organized. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple LibreOffice tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.